So here is my blue cloud of doom. Today we're making a recipe you might have seen online recently, and it's called cloud bread. You might have seen people rip into these big fluffy balls of pastel colored substance. It's not bread, it's not cloud either, and it doesn't look tasty. Basically, it's an undercooked meringue. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do it and let you know if you really should in the first place. Let's go. For this recipe, you're going to need 3 eggs, 30 grams of sugar, 10 grams of cornstarch, and food coloring. That's it. First, preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're going to separate our egg yolks from our egg whites. Make sure there's no egg yolk in your egg whites and there's no oil in the vessel that you're working with. Next, we're going to whip our egg whites until they become soft peaks. Once again, a great arm workout. So now the meringue is nice and soft peaks. We're going to add in our sugar. And keep mixing as you do so. After your sugar is well mixed, we're going to sift in the cornstarch. Now mix all your cornstarch in, and while you're doing that, we're going to add some food coloring. I'm going for blue coloring because that's the most unnatural color in food, and we're making something super unnatural. Woo! Now there's stiff peaks. You can see it's all solid, and we're going to form it into a cloud. Just dump that all into this baking tray right here. Actually, it looks like elephant toothpaste. You know that chemistry project that people do? And it explodes out of a tube and it looks kind of cool, kind of terrifying. Okay, so I've seen people do like a really round, beautiful cloud structure. So let's try to make us what do you call those? A cumulus cloud, and not a cirrus. Damn, thick. All right, so here is my blue cloud of doom, and we're gonna bake that for 30 minutes, and we'll see y'all later. Okay, folks, here it is. This abomination of bread, of dessert. I'm lost for words. I think the ritual is you do some kind of rain dance and then you rip it open, right? Ah. All right, so here's the money shot. You can only get this once and no more. Oh, wow. Okay. It looks amazing, okay? Wow, it's steaming. Looks really cool. I guess there's one thing to do, and it's to eat it. Just as I expected. What it reminds me a lot of is that the Shanghainese dessert that's deep fried with a red bean filling. It's called gulai dosa. That kind of dough is exactly like this. Okay, so here's the verdict. If you want to eat bread, you're not eating this. If you're eating dessert, you're probably not eating this. I don't know why you're making this unless it's for internet clout. That's why I'm doing it, but for all you watching, just make meringue the way you should. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you want me to make next. Okay, bye.